Hello everybody, thank you very much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing if you have not already and hit the bell too. Okay, so this is the look I'm talking about. This is a double cut trees eye makeup, technically speaking. But then yeah, I have used some bold colors, so I was pretty regular with brown and burgundy and all, so I thought of coming a little bit with blue and green. So here we start. Initially I used some concealer, and without setting that concealer I used some dark green color, or rather say algae green or olive green color. I just packed it onto the crease line, just I kept on packing some green color, and once I was happy with the intensity, I just winged it out a little so that it becomes easier for me when I do a cut crease. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm further intensifying that green color and just blending that with a hint of a lighter green color. Lighter green color. Little lighter than the one I have used before, as you can see. And I'll start blending that in or diffuse that with the darker green color, like so. And I'll just blend both of that in so that when I cut the crease, it looks smooth and nice transition look. A look comes up. Now I'm using a little bit of yellow and blending that in, and now further intensifying the dark green color before I go for a final cut crease. Now taking some concealer. This concealer is from Wet n Wild. Yeah, I'm slightly cutting the crease area and just winging it out towards the outer V as well, like so. I'm just patting every concealer in, and then I'm using some white eyeshadow to just make that concealer stay in place, using some blue eyeliner like so in a shape of a wing, and that winging it inwards like so. And once I am happy with the wing, I will just fill in the half of it via with the same blue liner. Once that is done, I will repeat the same thing which I did in the upper crease area. Like I would be blending dark green, lighter green and yellow in the lid area too, like so. I'll slowly and gently build in the darker green, the lighter green and the yellow color gradually towards the inner V. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I did my eye foundation and other makeup towards the end, because when you do this kind of a detailed makeup, there will be a lot of fallouts which will leave so much of streaks onto the foundation, and you have to redo it, so that becomes quite a hassle. So I just did my eye look first, and then I covered up with the other. Now for the lower lash line, I just applied some kajal, and then I smoked that with the same dark green color which I used initially in the crease area, slow intensifying it furthermore and giving a little hint of a blue color in the waterline of lower lash line. That's what I did. And now highlighting the inner corner with a very subtle highlighter, and also the brow bone, like so. And once that is done, I applied some mascara and some falsies, and this was how it was looking. But then I decided to apply a little bit of glitter in towards the center of the eyelid. This is what I'm talking about. So this is the final result. This was how it was looking. You can see the blending, and this was how it looked. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for stopping by, and please stay tuned for further videos.